What up everyone, and welcome back to DW. I'm your host SVG, and today we've got with ourselves the Sony speakers, and to be specific, it's what? SRS-XB20. Yeah, this is the thing, guys, and as it says, extra bass, which is something that Sony really likes to do with basically all of their speakers. So yeah, I'm really excited about this, but let's not move on further before unboxing the box. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started right to the action. Alright guys, so here we have the Sony SRS-XB20. Now, if I'm not wrong, the 20 over here stands for 20 watt. Here we've got the knife, and now we're going to open this thing. Obviously these are the speakers, so before that we're going to take a look at whatever do we get inside. So first of all, we take a look over here. And this has to do something with the invoice of the purchase, so there's that. Also, there's something over here, a start guide. Okay, that's a lot of things for a speaker. We are not going to get into all of that. That's some more instructions, I believe. We don't need that as well. And also some, okay, so yeah, nothing. Down below over here we've got a wire. It's your general micro USB to USB cable, so there's that. Now it's empty, and now we take a look at the speaker itself. So first of all, we remove this packaging, and voila. Now I don't know what they sound like, but if they sound decent, then this is the size that you want your portable speakers to be, because anything bigger than this would kind of like hinder your experience of carrying a speaker around. Now I'm not gonna say that this by any chance is light. No, it's not. This definitely has its own weight to it. I don't really know what to expect with this. I don't know if the extra bass would help it achieve that extra volume that Sony feel, because Sony really does a nice job when it comes to music. So without actually going into more of the hype, let's just check this speaker out. So first let's see if this got any power in it. Okay, I get it has. Now as you can see over here, the Bluetooth icon is blinking, so this shows that it is now visible to other devices. Now I'm not really sure, maybe we'll have to keep this pressed if you want more. Yeah, this is the Bluetooth pairing mode. Now you can pair your device if it's the first time that you're ever doing it. So first of all, we're going to go into settings, and then we're going to go into Bluetooth. And then we're going to go and click on SRS-XB20 right over here. So yeah, go ahead and click that. We hear the sound in the speaker, so that's a good sign. It says that it's connected here, so there's that. Now let's try to play something in it.
Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see.
Now I'm not gonna lie, I can feel the bass in this.
Little high, little low.
And the funny part over here is that this isn't even the chorus. Now when it gets to the chorus, the sound's really going to go off the charts. Now over here you can see that the speaker has a light boundary over here. Now it depends on the music. Now if the music is really peppy, the lights will blink a lot more. If it's like something like jazz or something, that it might not do it as frequently. But this light is somewhat like a really nice addition to this. Now this speaker only has white light, so yeah, sorry, no RGB, but then again it's really nice because it goes with the aesthetic and it also goes with the design of the speaker. The light in the speaker can be switched on and off via the extra bass button if you keep pressing on it. So yeah, the light will switch on and off. So basically that's how it works. Also over here you've got some other buttons. So one's for play and pause. Over here you can see that one's for call. It also says that it can tell you the battery of the speaker itself. So let's try to press it.
About 70%.
And after that it says add. Now add button is basically something that's exclusively for Sony speakers. This says that if you have multiple Sony speakers of the same model, and I'm not sure if this works with the different models, but I know that it works with the same models, and it says that then you can connect these speakers together to play one song, but then one song plays on all the speakers together. So it's like somewhat like a home theater feel to it. Then you've got the volume buttons over here. So I believe it's at max volume, so you know that's a good thing. Also over here, as you can see, that's the icon that tells you that yes, it is connected to a Bluetooth device, and then that's the power switch, which also is used for pairing. To take a better look at what this lighting looks like, we've got to turn off the lights, and then let's just enjoy the music itself.
Your girl knows I've got the sauce, flexing, no ketchup, nothing, just sauce. The thing goes